Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel, and for our today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kayo makakapag-register sa CFO and makakakuha ng certification. By the way guys, CFO means Commission on Filipino Overseas, which is a Philippine government agency under the Office of the President that protects and promotes the welfare of permanent Filipino migrants, immigrants, and marriage visa holders living abroad. So, meron silang mga core services and programs, which is the PDOS, which is the Pre-Departure Orientation Seminar. This is required classes for immigrants living to settle permanently abroad. Discover travel rules, settlement tips, and cultural differences. And then the GCP, which is Guidance and Counseling Program. This is mandatory sessions for Filipinos marrying foreign nationals or moving abroad as fiancés. This program helps prevent human trafficking and domestic abuse. And then, which is the registration and certification, issues essential stickers and certificates needed at the airport before leaving the Philippines. And the diaspora and linkages manages program like Balikbayan to encourage overseas Filipino to invest, donate, or share skills with local communities back home. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to register and get certification. So guys, ang unang-unang step for the registration process is to go to the website of CFO, which is cfo.gov.ph, and scroll down nyo lang. And if you want to know guys, if you are required to register, you can also click here. So mas madali ma-identify. And ayan, so if you are permanent resident, immigrant visa, immigrant worker visa to USA, long-term resident visa to Japan, fiancé visa, spouse visa, partner visa, J1 visa. So if you're one of that, or if you're one of those guys, just click the yes button. And then, ayan, so who is your petitioner? So you just have to click which is which. If you have a spouse, a fiancé, or a partner, just click this one. And ayan, so is your spouse, partner, fiancé, Filipino permanent resident immigrant, former Filipino now naturalized of another country, Filipino dual citizen, or foreign national? So for example, foreign national, ayan, so ang kukunin mong registration for this one is GCP, the Guidance and Counseling Program GCP. So this is for registration of Filipino spouses, fiancés, and other partners of foreign nationals, including former Filipino citizens and Filipino dual citizens for the first-time registrants daw ito. So once alam mo na, so here are the primary requirements for this one. You need a barcoded confirmation form of GCP appointment, so papa-appointment ka, and then original valid passport, and additional 2 valid IDs, and original valid visa and permanent confirmation of permanent residence for Canada bound only. And then petitioner's passport copy or one valid, PSA or marriage certificate and security paper kung nagpakasal kayo sa Philippines, or report of marriage in Philippine Statistic Authority PSA security paper if nagpakasal kayo sa ibang bansa. Ito yung mga additional requirements if needed nila. So, eto siya guys, like divorce decree, certificate of Filipino spouse or foreign spouse, annulment papers. Ayan, so basahin nyo na lang yan guys. So, how you can make an appointment? You have to reserve and register online to attend the GCP in person. So, kailangan nyo pa rin siyang puntahan in person. So, you just have to reserve and register online para makapag-attend kayo sa GCP. So, ito guys, yung mga lugar na pwede kayong magpa-reserve. Like, if taga Metro Manila ka, just click this one. If you're from Baguio, you can go here, Cagayan, Cebu, Davao. So, yan yung mga office nila or location nila na pwede kayong magpa-reserve. So, if you click, for example, dito tayo sa Metro Manila, just have to click. Ito guys, yung kanilang CFO data privacy policy. So, confirm lang natin or agree. Make sure guys, nabasahin nyo siya. So, ito yung mga requirements nila. And yung address nila. So, to create an appointment guys, you have to have PhilC's national ID. So, you can click this one. Or you can continue here below para ilagay nyo na lang siya. Pero kung meron naman kayong ID, mas maganda kung ito. Kasi pwede nyo na lang i-scan pwede kayong mag-scan ng inyong ID here para mas mabilis nilang ma-verify. Just click back and then ayan, lagay mo lang yung inyong ID number, last name, if you have suffix, first name, middle name, your birth date, age, mobile number, email address, and then ilagay mo lang ulit yung email address ninyo. And then, ayan. So, select nyo lang yung petitioner ninyo or yung sponsor. Like, for example, if you have a foreign national fiancé, ayan, lagay mo lang siya dyan. Just click this one. And yung location, like, for example, Taiwan. So, yung visa type, is it residence card or residence visa? And so, yung passport number niya, yung visa number niya, and yung expiration. And then, click submit. You will receive this notification that you have successfully completed the initial step to continue with your appointment for GCP. So, please check your inbox for a confirmation email to continue with the registration. So, you will receive an email, guys, like this. So, as you can see, greetings from the CFO. Please click the button or link below to confirm your email and continue with your registration. Or click this one. So, once na na-submit nyo na lahat ng mga details, you will receive an email from CFO and then book an appointment. Ayan. So, ito yung mga available nila as of now, which is, pinaka-latest is Tuesday, August 11. Ayan. So, you just have to book. Kita nyo kung ilan pa yung available slots for that day. For example, sa August 11, wala nang pang morning schedule. So, afternoon schedule na lang yung available and 25 left na lang siya. So, you just have to click kung what time kayo available and kung ano yung may available silang slot. So, click mo lang siya ng ganyan. And sa appointment details ninyo, lalabas na yung date na sinelect ninyo. And then, ayan, choose nyo lang guys if it's 1 p.m. session. So, for example, this 1 p.m. session yung available nila. Just tap it and click the save and continue. So, ito yung mga steps na nagawa natin. The first one is the registration and then the selecting of schedule. Next is the form fill-up. Which is sa baba, guys, you just have to fill up the information na kailangan pa nila like your gender, your civil status, your permanent address, and etc. So, if you're married, just click married. If you're female, just click female or male. And then, permanent address. Fill up at least 2 contact details daw. And then, your permanent address, contact numbers in the Philippines. And at least fill up 2 contact details daw. Ito yung mga contact details for emergency. So, just fill it up. Your relationship, phone number, and etc. Permanent address naman daw in the country of destination. So, kung saan ka pupunta. Which is, for example, Taiwan yung pinili natin. So, you just have to fill up these informations, guys. And then, click save and continue. Just click, guys, the send mail with barcode form. So, you will receive this email, guys. And then sa baba, guys, you will receive this PDF. So, you just have to download that and print it out, guys. And yun yung ipipresent natin dun sa appointment. Anyway, guys, once natapos na kayo sa registration, yung barcode na na-receive ninyo, yun yung ipipresent ninyo sa kanila. And make sure na dali nyo lahat ng mga requirements, yung mga documents na hinihingi nila. And then, yun nga, which is yung ID, yung passport, and etc. So, yung last step, guys, is when you will receive your certificate. Once na-verify na nila, your CFO digital certificate will be issued via email. And then, you just have to print this out and carry it to the airport on your departure date. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I hope may natutunan kayo. If you have any questions, please just comment it down and we will do our best to answer it as soon as possible. Anyway, that's it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!